Hello, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I belong from Delhi, Shagra, and I completed my graduation in BA from Delhi University in 2020. After graduation, I'm looking for a job, but unsuccessfully, I'm not getting any jobs. So one day, my friend told me about EVISION Technoserve private limited OJT programs. So I contacted EVISION and I decided to join this program. Basically, I'm not a technical background, but EVISION gave me a chance to grow my future in IT sectors. After joining this program, we learn about many types of modules like Windows Administrator, Linux Administrator, and CCNA, routing and switching, etc. In Windows Administrators, we learn about event viewer, BitLockers, and BSOD errors, black screen errors, and troubleshooting, and printer troubleshoots, and also learn about domain, ADDS, DCs, WDS, and how to join workgroup to domain, and also learn about Microsoft uh, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Outlooks and its protocol like IMAP, POP3, SMT, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocols, and micro micro Amazon Outlook troubleshoots, and learn about RDC and RDC third-party applications like AMI admin and AnyDex and TeamViewer. In CCNA, we learn about IP addressing and subnettings and routing protocols like static routing, default routing, dynamic routing. Dynamic routing, we learn about RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, and access how to remotely access the router through console cable and telnet and SSH. In switching, we learn about trunks, VLAN, inter-VLAN, etc. So I think every practical is important to company experience, and every week we conduct mock interview and PPT session. So now I feel I feel 100% confident to I clear my all concepts are clear, and now I'm ready to crack any interview in my first attempt. Thank you.